If your Claude chat list has got long, or you just want it gone, there are 3 different things you can do. Delete one conversation, wipe the entire history in one go, or stop a chat being saved at all. I will show you all 3. Open your apps and tap Claude. It opens on a new chat, so tap the menu icon in the top left corner. That slides out the side panel with Claude, Chats, Projects and Artifacts. Tap Chats. This is your full history, newest first. Start with a single conversation. Tap the chat you want gone to open it, then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. You get Share, Rename, Star, Add to Project, Add to Home, and right at the bottom in red, Delete. Tap Delete. Claude asks Delete conversation. Are you sure? This conversation will be gone forever. There is no undo and no trash folder here, so only confirm if you really mean it. Tap Delete, and it drops you straight back on the chats list with that conversation gone. Now the whole history. Doing that one at a time would take all day, so look at the top right of the chats list and tap Select. Every row gets a checkbox, and the icons change to a folder for moving and a red bin for deleting. Now tap each conversation you want gone. I am tapping every single one, and you can watch the checkboxes fill in as I go. Then tap the red bin. Claude tells you exactly how many you are about to delete and warns you again. Tap Delete, and the whole list is wiped. There is also a way to never create the history in the first place. Tap New Chat at the bottom, then tap the little ghost icon in the top right corner. That switches you into an incognito chat, and Claude says it plainly on screen. Incognito chats are not saved or used to train models. Type your question and send it exactly as normal. You get the same answer from the same model. The only thing that changes is what happens afterwards. And here is the proof. Tap the 3 dots on this incognito chat. Instead of the usual list, you only get Delete because there is nothing to share, rename, or star. Scroll back through the reply, and it is a perfectly normal answer from the same model. Now back out of the chat and look at your chats list. It is still completely empty. That conversation never went into your history at all. So, 3 ways to control it. To delete one conversation, open it. Tap the 3 dots, tap Delete and confirm. To clear your whole chat history, open Chats, tap Select, tick every conversation, tap the red bin and confirm. And to stop a chat being saved in the first place, start a new chat and tap the ghost icon for an incognito chat. Just remember that deleting really is permanent. There is no undo and no recycle bin, so check what you have ticked before you confirm. If this helped you out, a thumbs up and a subscribe really do help the channel. Thanks for watching.